Hi Gummy Bear, how are you today? Today we are going to read this book. It's called Number One Puppy. Can you see there's a lot of puppies on this cover, right? And do you still remember what part of this book? Yes, this is the cover. And how about this one? The spine. And this part is the back of the book. Okay, let's read it together. So, there's a little girl here. She said, "My mom is taking me to a park today. I am going to bring home a puppy." So, do you have a puppy at home, Gummy Bears? And there are so many puppies at the pound. Can you see there's a lot of puppies here, right? And every puppies are different, right? And here is one soft yellow puppy, and yellow is my favorite color. Can you see here? The little girl is wearing the yellow shirt, right? And the yellow shoes. And I think yellow is really her favorite color. And look at this. Can you see these puppies? What do you think? What are they doing here, Gummy Bear? Yeah, they look so sleepy. They could snuggle in my bed. And how many puppies are here, Gummy Bear? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 black and white puppies, and I like their spots. How about this one, Gummy Bear? How many puppies are here? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here are 4 quiet puppies. I bet they can keep secret. Can you see her? I guess she's telling something to the puppy, right? And oopsie. Look, there's a lot of furry puppies here. So there are 5 fuzzy puppies, and their fur tickles my nose. And she moved to the other cage, and she saw, look how many puppies are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 playful puppies. They're playing around in the cage, right? Please, Mom, can I take all of them? I want all of them. How can I pick just one? Only one is the special puppy for you. Just for you, says Mom. So, she's really thinking, which puppy should she get? The 6 playful puppies? Or maybe the 5 fussy puppies? Or maybe the quiet one? How many are the quiet puppies are here, Gummy Bear? 1, 2, 3, 4. Or maybe the black and white puppies, right? Or maybe the sleepy puppies. I guess they're really tired, huh, Gummy Bear? And here is my new puppy, the yellow puppy. I call him Sunny. And they're going home to the little girl house. The end. So which one is your favorite puppies, Gummy Bear? Teacher Hannah loves the black and white puppies. It looks like a Dalmatian puppy. And how about you? Thank you, Gummy Bear. Hope you like the book. Bye.